Hello guys, good morning. Good morning Zion.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning people.
Good morning, Papa Jesus.
Good morning Mama Mary.
I love you.
I love you very very much.
Well, we're here in the house, but we're gonna go into.
What are you gonna do there in the Magari?
I don't know what. I can never know.
You
I can never
know?
know.
Then why you go there?
I never know that.
Really?
Mama.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Bye bye. Bye guys.
Bye guys. See you in